Hi everyone, welcome to week one. I just wanted to briefly show you what we have going on this week to get you started. So if you go ahead and click on content, and then you're going to go to week one, it's going to show you what we have going on this week. And we have three different things going on. So you'll see that there's a Dropbox here for a Facebook discussion, and then another Dropbox for another Facebook discussion, as well as a quiz. And then you'll see that it's broken out into first due date and second due date, which I talked about in the introductory video. The first due date is always Wednesday and the second due date is always Saturday. So you'll want to go ahead and first click into the first due date, and that'll show you what you have due first this week. Now this week we have two different Facebook discussions. One of them is just an introductory discussion. So right here, introductions, and then the next discussion is a debate about what is and isn't social media. Now you'll also see here at the top it has these readings here on content designed. So you'll want to go ahead and click into each of those readings and do those for the quiz. And the quiz is due by Saturday night at 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So now let's go ahead and go into the Facebook discussion. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to find our Facebook page and introduce yourself and describe something about you and kind of what you hope to gain from the class, and then be sure to list all of your social media channels and link to them. And then also don't forget to tell me what you'd like to analyze in week two. Now, where you'll find this discussion is on our Facebook group, and it will look like this. So I've posted a picture here, and in order to contribute to this discussion, you'll just go ahead and click on a comment and write your discussion in the comment. So I've already introduced myself, and it looks like we also have some other people already introducing themselves as well. So that's where you'll find that. And then the second item for the first due date is our debate. And this also is a Facebook discussion. Sometimes they aren't always Facebook discussions. It'll always show you right here, like here's the Facebook icon. We also will have blog posts on the Content Designed website going forward, but for week one, it's all on Facebook. So for this assignment, you are going to create a table that looks something like this, and you're going to find 12 different websites, and you're going to evaluate whether or not they are social media or not. And then you're going to create a table like this, and you'll take a picture of it or a screenshot, and you will upload it to our Facebook thread. So both of those items, those initial posts, are due by Wednesday. Now, that's not completing the assignment. To complete the assignment, you need to go back and click on second due date to show you what's due by Saturday. So if you click on second due date right here, it'll show you how to complete each assignment. And you'll kind of get the hang of this as we get going, but usually what is due for the second assignment is that you read through classmates' posts and then you respond to 3 of your classmates. Now you'll want to maybe ask questions or share a story or offer insights, or maybe share some other ideas with links to different resources. But it needs to be more than replying to them with like, hey, that's cool, I totally agree. It needs to be more than just compliments. We want to start conversations and, of course, keep it friendly and positive, but we want a discussion and a dialogue, not just compliments. And so after you've read classmates' posts, you need to respond to at least 3. What you'll do, and it says right here, what to submit on iLearn. You will need to go back and take screenshots of everything. So you'll need to take a screenshot of your original expanded Facebook post. Now, what that means, I'm going to go over to Facebook here, and I'm going to use mine as example. Right here, this is not expanded. See where it says ... see more? You need to click that, and then I would take a screenshot of my entire post right here so that I can read it all. So you take a screenshot of your initial post, and then you also need to take a screenshot of all of your 3 comments, and once again expanded. So if you've commented on somebody and it says ... see more, you need to click on that so I can see your entire response. And you collect those screenshots and put them into a PDF. So what your PDF needs to include is your first and last name, my name, and something that's really important this semester is your section number. I mentioned this before, but I'm teaching 2 sections of the course this semester, and I don't want to mix things up between the two sections. When I'm doing grading, I kind of do them all in bulk. So make sure that you are including that information on everything that you submit. Now, I don't want you to squish everything onto one page. I want to be able to read everything. You can use as many pages as you need to. Let me just show you an example quickly of a good one of somebody that did it last semester. So let me pull this PDF over here. So this was from someone last semester. You'll notice the first page just has her name, the class, the section number, and then what the assignment is. And then, like I said, you can put my name on it too. And then the next page she's given me titles here, week 1 introduction post, and it just has a screenshot of her whole introduction. Week 1 introduction post, 3 replies, and then she's labeled them number 1, and then she's given me her reply right here, and she's highlighted it in yellow for me to easily see. Now, you don't need to include all the top information. I don't really need to see what you replied to. I just need to see your replies. So if you just want to take a screenshot of just your reply, that's fine as well. But I like that she has the headers number 1, and then the next page is number 2, and then the next page is number 3. She hasn't squished them all onto one page. If they fit nicely on one page, that's fine, but I need to be able to read everything. But this is kind of what I'm expecting to see, is that it's nicely organized and submitted so that I can quickly at a glance tell it what I'm reading and make sure that you can get the maximum points possible. So that's what you will submit, is a multi-page PDF by Saturday at 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And it will be the same thing so that was the introductions. Let's go ahead and go to the discussion, debate, what is and isn't social media. It's the same thing here. You're going to read your classmate's post, respond to 3, and explain why you agree or disagree. Remember, it's not just compliments. Suggest a source or a site that supports your opinion. Be kind to one another. And it's the same thing. What to submit on iLearn. You'll make a PDF with your name, my name, section number, and screenshots of everything that are expanded. And like I said, don't squish it all onto one page, because I can't read it if you do it that way. So that's what we have going on this week, as well as the quiz. You can access the quiz up here at the top if you click quizzes. That should give you that first quiz right there. So if you have any questions as you go along the way, please go ahead and post them on our Facebook page. I usually pin it to the top. It says, welcome to COM 315. If you have any questions about anything, post them here. And that way I can respond. If you tag me in the post, it'll go straight to my phone and I'm really quick to respond. Or it gives our classmates a chance to also respond sooner if they see it before I do, and we can all learn from each other, and then we kind of have a history of any questions and we can go back and read it and get more clarification that way. But if you have more of a personal nature question, go ahead and email me, or you can always text and we can hop on a phone call. But I'm usually pretty available to answer anything that you need. So good luck this week. I'm looking forward to getting to know each of you and to reading our debate. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.